Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Blender Cloud, access assets and training step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in cloud.blender.org and press enter. Once the Blender Cloud homepage loads, look for the Login button. Click on the Login button, typically located at the top right corner of the page. You will be redirected to the Login page. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Then, input your password in the second field. After filling in both fields, click on the Login button at the bottom. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to your Blender Cloud dashboard. Here, you can access various assets and training materials available to you. Explore the sections for assets, tutorials, and any ongoing projects. For specific training, navigate to the training section from the main menu. Click on a training course to begin accessing its content. If you have any issues with logging in, consider resetting your password. You can find the Forgot Password link on the login page. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once logged in, make sure to bookmark the Blender Cloud page for easy access in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.